Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to make a sketch effect on your images in Adobe Photoshop. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So what you want to do is that you want to open this background layer, then duplicate it by pressing Ctrl J, then come down to this adjustment layer, select hue or saturation, then reduce the saturation to -100, then click this duplicated image, come down here and select color dodge. So what I want to do is that I want to invert this image by pressing Ctrl I. So you should have something like a white background on your picture. Then you want to come down to filter, down to blur, Gaussian blur, and then you will select the range which you like to make it look sketchy. I think it's okay like this. Move it. Let's make it 40. Okay, so if you are not satisfied with what we get, you can still come down here, levels, and then let's try and work on it. Okay, so we have a sketchy image right here. Let's try and clean this background. Come down to brush, opacity on red. Okay. Okay, so let's So this is one of the shortest ways for you to turn your images into a sketch in Adobe Photoshop CC or any kind of Photoshop you might have. Okay, so here we have a sketched image right here. So if you are not satisfied with what is, not compulsory for you to follow my steps exactly. I think this image is just perfect for this. If you are trying this and you're not getting it, try to just work on the levels and just try to see what you can see and what you can bring up, and also in your Gaussian blur, try to just slide through the bar and then see the one that fits for your image. So if you really enjoyed this video, please click on the like button, subscribe, and then stay tuned. I'll be uploading videos consistently on how to do stuffs like this and so many tutorials on Photoshop. So till then, I say bye.